In this video I will show you how to unbox the IMX95 evaluation kit by Toradex. So what you see here is a very nice graphical demo running on Weston using the NXP GoPoint, which is this fellow here. Now in order to have that, it has all kind of like application and demos. In order to have that, you need to set up a couple of things, but first let's look at the board. So it comes assembled. It has the adapter that you might know from the Verdin development board, IMX8. It's adapter for HDMI. We have the UART cable connected here. Here you need to use TTY USB 2 if you are using Linux. This is the OTG cable. Network connector, and very important, we have a power switch. This and the boot select, which is you should be familiar with it if you have used some NXP evaluation boards. So boot select allows you like to boot from SD, to use a UUU, to boot from EMC, and so on. So let me quickly show you what you need to do to actually get display working. So when you boot the device, then you need to press like any key to stop in the U-boot after connecting to the UART. And by default, it should come with this device tree blob file, FTT file equals this one. Now the HDMI display will not work properly with it. So what you need to do is to update it. So do set env FTT file to this exact file name. And then you save env, and then you can reboot or do a run boot command or do the shortcut of it, which is put D. Okay, it's a default command. So I have already done it. You can see upon unboxing, this is what we get: 6623 LTS next. Reboot it, and we get like a console that is routine. So I wrote something else, but we have this nice console here. So that's what we have. Okay, so this is the unboxing of it, and it automatically gets the HCP, and we can be pretty much happy. So this is the board that we have, and let me just quickly reboot it and show you another graphical application as it comes from the camera, and we'll wrap it here. So now I will show you, I could of course do like the screen capture, the screen share in Wayland. I will not do it. I ran like this NXP processor, and let's run some graphical application. And it's pretty impressive. I mean, it looks better when you look at it with the eyes, but you have like a very nice demo. You can do all kind of things on it, and that's it. You have like it comes by default with a Yocto, as I showed you, and you can work with it, and you can flash your other things. But this time, at least for now, you need to use a UUU tool by NXP and not TASI. So perhaps I'll show it in another video.